Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 3126th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, I was actually planning on doing a much more comprehensive video for you and getting out in front of the camera tonight, but I can't. Signals are changing. I got to get this video out right now. So here we go. Let's be quick. For trading on Thursday, video 3126. It's being filmed on August 26th. For trading on August 26th, the night through the day of August 27th on Thursday. Please remember that trading is risky, 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 risky. Never trade anything without putting protective stops in first. Let's get moving. Here's your NASDAQ chart. We had the Omni tell us it's okay to go short, it's okay to be nimble, but do not fall in love with the downside for the last couple of days. Well, the Omni has a new message for us. No more selling. Stop. Stop selling. Expect some upside. Omni does not want us to sell anymore. S&P, NASDAQ, or Russ, and I will not. I would be a buyer of dips if we get a chance to do that today. No more selling. The Omni was absolutely correct for telling us not to fall in love with the downside. Now it's telling us no more selling. We've got a bunch of other markets we like for trading on Thursday if we can't get filled in NASDAQ, Russ, or ES, but no more selling as far as I'm concerned. No selling short for trading on Thursday in the NASDAQ, S&P, or the Russell 2000. Traders, the Omni token. Remember I asked you guys to go out and help me out because I was locked up from Coinbase? Well, look at what you guys did. You're so amazing. Thank you so much. Look at the Omni run. Look at it. It's all the way up. It took off. Look at these bars over here. Love you guys from around the world. Get in while you can. This is very cheap. Go out and buy your OMNIPHOENIX token right now. The information is below this video. Click on that stuff. Go buy yourselves OMNIPHOENIX tokens while you can. We're going to go much higher. We have a big community around the world. I have been putting out trades and building a community since 1982. That community trusts me implicitly, and they know they can. Traders, you've not seen me sell one single coin since this started. Not one. All I do is put into this to help back you guys up. I'm telling you to go out and buy because I am going to buy as well. Very good job, you Omniacs around the world. Love you guys. But don't forget what we showed up here for. That was to take a look at this and tell you no more selling. As bearish as Omni was, it's stopping us from selling on Thursday the 27th. Thank you for tuning in. I've got to get Lisa to an appointment for her back surgery. Today we've got to go get x-rays and a few other things. But I wanted to get this out to you especially because the signal has changed. Traders, remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Have a great day out there. We killed it trading the Omni in NASDAQ and Russ on Wednesday. We expect to kill it again on Thursday. Follow the Omni trades. Make sure you're getting the Omni real-time trading recommendations. That's called the Platinum Service. I hope to see you at livewithoscar.com.